taxonomy today. You hear a lot of words like token economics, tokenomics, token engineering, as well as economics of token engineering, which is something that you can find on LinkedIn. And are they the same or are they different? Today I want to just explain what these different terminologies are and how do you use them right. So the most common things that you hear is tokenomics or token economics. So this term actually exists in the world of psychology, as well as just an aspect of science, where you are looking at how to reward little kids or children with tokens and like stickers or little candy and sweets to incentivize them to do something. So that's like a very interesting use case, and we use the word tokenomics or token economics very freely or liberally in the crypto world because, well, that's the word that just exists and we didn't know. It's a new terminology and we just use that. So it's just a regular word. It just talks about the general idea of the economics of tokens or economics of DOT systems. So that's one. Next, you hear a lot of this thing called token engineering. Like, token engineering is a little bit more in-depth, a little bit more structured in terms of how do you engineer a token towards achieving an objective in your ecosystem. And then you have the economics of token engineering, which is the economics of the optimizing the mechanism to achieve your objective in the ecosystem. So what's the difference? Engineering and economics are very similar, but they're different in one main aspect. Economics looks at what do you want to optimize, the what to optimize, as well. Engineering looks at the how to optimize it, how do you achieve the optimization, and how do you get there. So the economics of token economics will talk about the environment of the token ecosystem, the mechanisms in place, as well as the describing or defining what the tokens are, what the functions of the tokens are, and how do you optimize, and what are the optimization mechanisms for your tokens and your ecosystem. Engineering, on the other hand, talks more in depth, more into details, more like a lot deeper into designing the specific mechanisms, understanding, okay, this is the objective that I want to achieve according to the economics. Now, what are the possible problems that could occur, and how do you reduce the problems, reduce the malicious behavior, and how do you achieve the optimization that you want? So these are the two different new terms that you should probably consider. One is token engineering, and one is the economics of token engineering. So hopefully that clears up some taxonomy. Well, and token economics and tokenomics is just something that a lot of people hear about often, and they just get the idea, or an intuitive idea, that it's about the economics of tokens. So that's something that people are just using it. It's like a common terminology. There isn't right definitions for it, and the proper right definition will either be token engineering or the economics of token engineering. Why so? Because it also includes ecosystems that don't require tokens, or ecosystems that's more than just ERC20 tokens. So I think a lot of you have a lot of opinions and want to dispute this statement or dispute this video, so just leave your comments below and we will chat. Bye!